So my name is Sam Walker. I teach Introduction to Professional Makeup at the London College of Fashion. So there's loads of makeup brands out there now, and I think particularly with the makeup workshop that a lot of people are buying products and not using them, which for me, I think sustainability is huge. I push people not to overbuy makeup, and I think sustainability for me is really important. So when I teach my classes, I always want to educate people on their colour choices, on not to buy too many products, how long products last, and choosing the right colours and not overbuying as well, because I think in this world that we live in now, sustainability is really important. The great thing about learning makeup when you're in a classroom setup as well is you're going to be working on each other. So in the classroom there'll be a diverse set of students, and you'll be able to work on each other, so you'll feel what it feels like to have makeup applied to you, and you'll also be applying makeup to somebody, because I think it's really important to understand how it feels when you're having makeup applied, so that then when you're actually doing the makeup yourself, you know what you like and what you don't like. And it's also really good to practice on each other, and I've found that a lot of people, they make friends and they'll, you know, practice makeup on each other outside of the classroom, and also they have their own little group chats that they have, so there's like a community gets built within the class environment as well. A lot of my students that come to the makeup workshop, they don't like going to a counter. They feel really self-conscious about sitting at a counter and having their makeup done when people are walking past, looking at them. They're really self-conscious. So when they come to do the makeup workshop here, it's a closed environment. All the students are here together. There's no one coming in or going out. So it's a really nice, calm, loving environment for people to practice makeup on themselves. And we use a variety of makeup products, so it's not just one brand.